This is going to be a quick webinar about Mass Session Update in Enrole. This function is great for when you have set up a bunch of sessions for a term, but when you set them up, you selected them to be tentative because you might have been waiting on some information before you open them up for people to register. Or perhaps there's a group of sessions that need to be closed or canceled, and you can use this function to change them as well. So to update the status of multiple sessions, we're going to go to the Utilities tab at the top of the page and select Mass Session Update. Here you can search for sessions a variety of ways. You can search by the ID, the title, the start date or end date of a session, the current status of the sessions, the director, or the manager. You can also include sessions with seats available, as well as the subsessions. So what I'm going to do is search for sessions that occur between now and the end of the month that are currently open because I need to cancel them. So I'll select my criteria and click search. Here you can see the sessions that have populated, and I will select the sessions that I want to update. I can select one of them, two of them, or I can toggle on and off the select all. So what I'll do is I'll select all of them. And then down here at the bottom is going to be the status that I want to change it to. So for these sessions, I want to change them to canceled. So I'll select canceled. And then I will say mass update. It'll notify me that it's updating the sessions. This could take a little bit of time because it has to go through every session and change the status. But once it is updated successfully, it'll prompt me telling me that it was updated. So here you can see that it says the session status was updated, so I'll click OK, and then I can search for another session. If I want to, I can go back and search for the sessions that I updated, the ones that are canceled, and now I can see that those three that were open now have a status of canceled.